Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making burger bread rolls. I've just measured in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour into my mixing bowl. The next thing I'll do is to add sugar, add some instant active yeast, stir it together before adding salt. After adding salt, I'll mix it together again, and then the next thing I'll do is to go in with the wet ingredients, which are milk, egg, and some butter. And then I will mix and incorporate everything together. I will leave all the list of the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. You can check that out. I'll cover and allow to rest for 5 to 7 minutes, so we'll come back to it. It's been resting for about 5 minutes now. I'll then bring it out, sprinkle some flour on my working surface and start kneading. I'll knead this for about 7 minutes. I'll cover again and keep in a warm place for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is what we have. It has doubled in size. I'll now open it and punch it so as to remove all the air from it. And then the next thing we'll do is to bring it out to our working surface and cut it into smaller sizes. After cutting them into smaller sizes, the next thing I'll do is to roll them into burger shapes, just like I'm doing. So keep watching. Rolling all of them and also arrange them into my baking pan. So the next thing I'll do is to cover it with my foil paper. You can use kitchen towel. I'll cover and allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. It will also rise in size. This is after 15 minutes. It has also doubled in size. So our next step now before baking it is to egg wash it. I have here 1 egg and a tablespoon of milk. I'll just use my brush and rub all. This will help to give it a nice and golden color. And then we take it to the oven and bake. And here we have our delicious burger bread rolls baked at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Love you all. Bye bye.